Hello everybody and welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy, Splendid Size Edition. In this episode, we're going to make a very versatile side that can replace noodles whenever you like. Tastes very good, even my kids are going to like it. What is it, you wonder? Well, come on, let's make this splendid side together. I would like to give a shout out in all my videos. For those who play along, if you don't know how to get a shout out, go ahead and watch till the end of the video or skip ahead. It works the same. So that you can see how to get a shout out in my next video. As for now, today's shout out goes to
Michel Borough.
Now I apologize if I butcher your name because I don't speak Spanish. That did not stop me, nor should it stop you from checking out her channel at the links down below, as she has a wonderful beef-looking dish called carne desmenuzada. It looks very tasty and I like to make it myself, as well as a very helpful video called Como hacer tortillas de maíz paso a paso, which is how she shows you how to make tortillas out of corn step by step. Alright, we've got a great substitute for noodles that's a very healthy alternative. It's so great, even my kids love it. And it's zucchini noodles.
Black!
Here are the lovely ingredients for our wonderful zucchini noodles. We have 4 medium-sized zucchinis, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, or you can just have salt and pepper to taste. To make zucchini noodles, we actually purchased one of these spiralizers, which will make zucchini into really long spirals. You twist a little, pull it out so you don't make the noodles for the whole length of the zucchini. But I found it takes a long time, a little troublesome, so instead, I get the same effect with just one of your large cheese graters. So I'm going to first, after I've washed zucchini, I'm going to grate it and put it right into this dish. So while the other food is cooking, whether it be pasta sauce, or in this case, chicken parmesan, whatever is taking a while, I just go ahead, let it go, and then when it gets close to time, start grating up zucchini. This dish takes about 3 minutes to cook. You don't want to cook it that much longer than 3 minutes, because then the zucchini gets really soft and mushy, and you lose that firm texture that makes this dish so good. Alright though, it's time to heat up the pan, put in 3 tablespoons of butter into the pan for the garlicky zucchini noodles. Rather than put all the butter in at once in one big long lump, I cut it up, make it smaller, make it faster for melting. We don't need to put it on that high heat. Turn it to about a medium. Let the butter do its melting. While it's melting, get ready to put in the garlic. That's good. The butter is mostly melted. Garlic time. Remember, my philosophy is just press your garlic straight into the dish. Get as much garlic as you can in there from every clove. If you cut it on a cutting board, less garlic will be available because you have to scrape it off the cutting board. This way, as much as I can scrape off of my fine cheese grater will go right into the dish itself. At this point, you should be smelling the aroma of garlic if you're cooking this for yourself. Love the smell of butter and garlic. Makes garlic bread taste oh so good. There we've got our garlic. Gonna move it around so you get ready for the zucchini. Now you're tossing zucchini. Gonna put in our pepper. That's about a teaspoon of it. Gonna put in our salt. It's about a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna stir all up to get all the garlic buttery flavor for all the zucchini. We're gonna cook it until the juices the zucchini start to come out. Once they start coming out, it's time to get it out of there. Wait too much longer, and the zucchini is going to be soft. You don't like soft zucchini for this dish. It tastes so much better when it's a little bit firm. You can see that right there, the zucchini liquid is starting to come out right here. Bottom of the pan right there, a little bit of zucchini liquid. That means it's time to come out, but you can see right there, look at all that zucchini liquid starting to form. That's time to cut the heat now. There's too much liquid's forming. Now it's time to add the extra special. Now it's time to add the extra special flavor that makes it good. About a 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese. Let it melt right in. You're going to dish it out. I'm going to take my zucchini noodles, put it right back into the dish that I shredded my zucchini into. One less dish to clean. There you have small, short zucchini noodles ready to eat.
Oh my gosh, this just tastes awful. Who would ever think this could replace noodles?
The use of zucchini instead of traditional spaghetti adds for a very good, well-tasting and healthy spaghetti.
Oh wow, this is so much better than noodles. This is like heaven on earth.
This is terrible! It's so much worse than regular noodles.
Since you made it this far, go ahead and honestly interact with that like button, just like my kids honestly interact with their zucchini noodles as they love it so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. And just to mess with people who don't get to watch the outro, why don't you go ahead and sneak the word pumpkin into your comment below for a chance at a shout out in my next video. Thanks for watching and have a happy and healthy day.